I do. I took the whole year off for you. Wiping them crocodile tears off for you. Tell them where you going? I know we can use some money. I'm trying to go back from bed. I'm trying to go random, tripping that target. I'm trying to go child and blow the whole budget.
Yo, this is an it's an exit only. The entrance up there. It's all good, man. You're good. You're good.
Porque el sol no brilla porque no está. ¡Wow! Jakes.
Allows a miracle-like experience and easier chance to escape the chaos, as well as a considerably lower birth rate than that of other West African ethnicities in Liberia because of their urban, centralized nature, and lastly, due to intermarriage with other groups in Liberia.
And you haven't, no offense, I'm not trying to be rude, you just definitely haven't had enough life experiences. College changed me, having kids changed me, getting married changed me. Ooh! Hang on, pull over here, kiddo, we may need to help call 911. And, okay, you technically just cut somebody off, don't forget to look. Okay, and you're gonna hit the curb. You need to stay on the road, pull up here close by, pull up into the parking lot off to the right. Let's see what we can do to help. So, we'll park up there so we're out of the way.
Rob, to your point, we try not to operate
Jesus Christ, man!
in an air-to-air type environment, and even surface.
Fucking didn't save me there!
32 and 39. And so, Rob, to your point, we try not to operate
Jesus Christ, man!
in an air-to-air type environment, and even surface.
Fucking didn't save me there!
And so we try to avoid, in that example, 32 to 39,000 feet.